Hi, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to our lecturer and our audience. Before I begin to our presentation, let me introduce myself and my group members. My name is SYAZA HUMAIRA binti JEFFRI as a first presenter, second NURNATASYA FAZIERA binti MARZUKHI as a second presenter, and lastly FAQIHAH binti Muhammad FAUZI as a third presenter. In this video, we need to explain we need to explore about the pomegranate. In these slides, it's about the introduction of the fruit pomegranates. Pomegranates has the potential capabilities in this fruit. In the row, pomegranates represents the healthiest fruit that can be consumed and used as a medical food. In addition, pomegranates also has the benefit to control the health in the body of those who consume these pomegranate fruits. After that, the nutrients of the pomegranates fruit are also one of the best products when producing juice or in food application. From that, a variety of the pomegranate contents of items were recently released into the US market in the rising market of the fresh pomegranate fruits. Moreover, pomegranate fruits of health benefit also include for anti-cancer, cardiovascular health improvement, high blood pressure prevention, management menopause relief, and hormonal balance. In a nutshell, pomegranate have shown that these phytonutrients-rich products are good for health. Study on pomegranate as a functional food and nutraceutical source. For the next slides, it's about the background history of the pomegranate fruits. Pomegranate Punica granatum is one of the most popular ancient fruits around the world. This pomegranate was imported from Spanish American in the late 16th century and into California by Spanish settlers in 1769. This pomegranate is also called the fruits of paradise. Nowadays, this fruit is one of the hot ingredients. In addition, pomegranates are the fruits of the underworld of the simply seeded apple. In each pomegranate are hundreds of glistening crimson seeds. From that, humans have been licking them with fertility for millennia. For the other slides, it's about the physicality of pomegranate fruits. The pomegranate is the most freshly cut fruits in the world. The pomegranates physical plants which can reach a height of 5 or 7 meters or 23 feet is approximately 7.5 cm, 3 inches, long with elliptic light lens-shaped bright green leaf. Henceforth, the fruit is enormous in orange, vaguely six-sided in shine, with a smooth, leathery skin from red to brownish yellow. It is divided into a number of chambers, each rounded of the long corner seeds which contains numerous thin, transparent areas of reddish and loosish pulp. Lastly, in my presentation is about the functional of pomegranate fruits. Pomegranates comes from the contemporary Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and northern India. The fruit is full. The benefits means that the function of the pomegranates also result in higher product when consuming, especially in juice. Pomegranate strings, fruit, and powdered polyphenolics extract of pomegranate plant components such as leaf, blossoms, and iris. That's it for my presentation. And now, I would like to invite NURNATASYA FAZIERA binti MARZUKHI as a second presenter.
Next, for the latest research, Punica granatum is a nutrient dense fruit rich in phytochemicals. Some plants contain phytochemicals which are structurally similar to the steroid hormone 17-estradiol. These compounds are termed as phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens has captured major research and clinical attention due to its effectiveness in the prevention and treatment of various diseases. Next, chemical constituent of pomegranate fruits and tree. The chemical composition of the fruits differs depending on the cultivar, growing region, maturity, cultivation practice, climate, and storage circumstances. About 50% of the total fruit weight corresponds to the peel, which is an important source of bioactive compounds. The edible parts of the pomegranate fruit consist of 14% arils and 10% seeds. 12 to 20% of the total seed weight of pomegranate comprises seed oil, and itself composite with more than 70% of conjugated linolenic acids. Phenolic compounds together with flavonoids and anthocyanins and tannins are the main group of antioxidant phytochemicals. Next, for seed oil makes up about 18% of dried and cleaned white seeds. Unique acid is a triple conjugated acting carbon fatty acid that is abundant in the oil. Some phytoestrogen chemicals found in pomegranate seed have sex steroid hormones that are similar to those found in humans. The 17-alpha estradiol is the estrogen doppelganger. Peel and juice. Fructose, sucrose, and glucose are all abundant in pomegranate juice. Ascorbic acid, citric acid, fumaric acid, and malic acid are among the simple organic acids found in it. It also has trace levels of all amino acids, including proline, methionine, and valine. Polyphenols are abundant in both the juice and the peel. Tannins and flavonoids are two most important groups. Supplements and products. Pomegranate is available in a variety of forms, including bottle juice, powder capsule, and tablets made from seed, fermented juice, peel, leaf, and flower. Gelatin capsule of seed oil extract, dry or beverage tea made from leaves or seeds, and other food products like jams, jelly, sauce, salad dressing, and vinaigrette. Anarjana is the powdered form of pomegranate seed and it's used as a spice. Therapeutic function of pomegranate. All portions of the pomegranate fruit have medical characteristics that target cancer, cardiovascular illness, diabetes, and many more. Despite the fact that pomegranate numerous therapeutic advantages can be attributed attributable to a variety of processes. Most researchers have determined its effectiveness. Pomegranate extract as a phytoestrogen. Many women have turned to phytoestrogen as an alternative to HER to avoid side effects of estrogenic stimulation. Genomic and non-genomic mechanisms have been projected to explain phytoestrogen effects on human health. The best move forward, the avoidance and handling of estrogen-dependent breast cancer is to selectively halt estrogen activity in the affected tissues without compromising its beneficial effect. Pomegranate as a potential nutraceutical. Nutraceutical is a food that provides medical or health benefits, including the prevention or treatment of disease. It may range from isolated nutrients, herbal products, dietary supplements, and diets to genetically engineered designer foods and processed products such as cereal, soups, and beverages. Pomegranate varieties. There are many types of pomegranates. They are all grown for a specific purpose. Some for fresh consumption, others for processing and obtaining juice. One type of pomegranate produces a beautiful and healthy drink rich in vitamins and micronutrients. There are also varieties grown for technical processing. Pomegranate varieties can be divided into three groups, such as sweet, sour, and sour variety.
The benefit of pomegranate. The pomegranate fruit is known to be one of the healthiest for a reason. Pomegranate has antioxidant, antiviral, and anti-tumor properties, and it's said to be a good source of vitamin, especially vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, as well as folic acid. It contains two compounds, which is punicalagin and punicic acid, which give it all potent benefit. In fact, the antioxidants present in pomegranates are almost 3 times higher than wine or green tea. Eating pomegranates on a daily basis or drinking the juice can be an excellent aid for your immunity, fight type 2 diabetes, keep blood pressure in check, smooth digestion, and make your skin glow too. Pomegranates are a great source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. They can help reduce your risk of various chronic illnesses such as heart disease, cancer, arthritis, or other inflammatory conditions. The pomegranate is a fruit that has hundreds of edible seeds known as berries. They are rich in fiber, mineral, and plant compounds. High blood pressure, hypertension, is one of the leading drivers of heart attack and stroke. People with high blood pressure will be able to reduce their blood pressure by almost 10% after drinking 5 ounces of pomegranate juice daily. The antioxidant present in pomegranate function as a blood thinner. There are 2 studies that claim pomegranate juice can fight prostate cancer. One experiment showed that pomegranate juice grow and even kill proliferating cancer cells. And the second experiment showed pomegranate seed inhibit the formation and clotting of clots by blood platelets. Pomegranate juice thins
The blood can speed the recovery during a cut or injury any external clot, like in hurt arteries or anywhere else inside the body, and can even prevent cardiovascular disease. The disadvantage of pomegranates. Although we know pomegranate juice is safe for most people, it can cause allergic reaction in some individuals. The people who may be allergic to pomegranate may experience itching, swelling, runny nose, and difficulty breathing. The medical profession is also concerned about the interaction of drug in those who use pomegranate juice. A case report in the September issue of the American Heart Association journal suggests that pomegranate can interact with common drugs. A 48-year-old man was taking 10 mg of ZT-azentipol and 5 mg of crystal resuscitation for 60 months. Both medications are used for high cholesterol. He started drinking pomegranate juice twice a week and was admitted to emergency due to high pain and elevated creatine kinase level. Both are symptoms of lipolysis that can cause the breakdown of muscle fiber and may lead to kidney failure. In conclusion, after conducting an extensive amount of research analysis of the pomegranate fruit, we have gained a much greater understanding of the pomegranate roles, both in animals model and humans. The pomegranate is one of the most powerful fruit enriched with high antioxidant and mineral and vitamins. As we know, pomegranate is rich in flavors, antianic, punicic acid, allicatans, alkaloids, fructose, sucrose, glucose, simple organic acid, and other components, and has anti-organic, anti-hypertensive, and anti-inflammatory properties. Pomegranate can be used in the prevention and treatment of several types of cancer, cardiovascular disease, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other diseases. In addition, it improves wound healing and is beneficial to the reproduction system. It can include its benefit in fact through the influence of its various bioavailable constituents and metabolites on gene expression. Although many vitro animal clinical trials have been carried out to examine and prove the therapeutic effect of this compound, further human trials and studies are necessary to understand the therapeutic potential of pomegranate. The fruit also helps to prevent or treat many pathophysiological conditions without any side effect. In general, dietary supplement fruit and nuts are considered safe. Nevertheless, the basic and clinical outcome clearly show a direct correlation between pomegranate's compound and therapeutic potential or neurological syndrome, cardiovascular syndrome, cancer, and metabolic syndrome. That's all from our group. Thank you.